Hey everyone, Bruce here, back with another demo on functions, okay? And this one happens to be, right from the textbooks, right? This example you can find, let me get it here, page 87. And it's the one that prints today's date, right? So I'm going to go into my to a file here, and I'm going to create a new script. And there's my script. And I'm going to call the function, again, the same name that the book gives it, which is printToday. And I'm using my camel case. Okay. Now, notice there's no parameters being passed to this function. Okay. And again, sometimes I put the name of the function here just so I know what that curly brace is for, on line 13. And let's create a variable called today. And by the way, in another video, I'm going to go over variable scope and how it pertains to functions. Okay, so I have var today equals new. Okay, new date. I'm creating a new date object. Okay, and I am going to say, hey, document dot write, right? And then I'm going to say today, right? And I'm going to call the toDateString method. toDateString method, okay? Hence those parentheses, okay? So today dot toDateString, okay? toDateString, and that's it, okay? So know that until I call this function, it's not going to run, right? So now, if on my page anywhere, right, that I call print today, right, without any arguments there, and I just save it. Whoops. Actually, did I not save this? Hold on. I guess I didn't. It's a new file, right? So let's go on my desktop in CTEC 126 and functions. I'll just call it functions 2.html, and I'll just right-click, open in browser. Okay, and look at that. I have Sunday, April 17th, 2016. Okay, now I can call this particular function here as many times as I want, over and over again, and poof, magic, right? I don't have to, create a new date object each time and write it out, okay? This will do it, okay? Again, it's kind of limited, right? But I think you understand, what's going on here. And let me just check on page 88 in the book here. No, they do the same thing, okay? So that's it, okay? A simple function to print today's date. And if you want to go look up the date object, right, online, I would do so, because you'll be amazed at all the different things you could do with a date object, okay? So that's it. There's just another simple example of functions. In the next video, I'm going to show you about, I'm going to talk about variable scope.